Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss the linear differential equations with the constant coefficient. This is your very first unit in your syllabus of M3, and specifically the branch of electrical engineering. So let us begin with this. So what exactly this linear differential equations with constant coefficient we mean? This equation a0 dny by dxn plus a1 d raised to power n minus 1 y dx to the power n minus 1 plus and so on up to an minus 1 dy by dx and any equal to f of x. This is the general nth order linear differential equations. Its order is n because the highest order derivative is n here. Moreover, this a0, a1, a2, a3, a4, an minus 1 and an, they are all the n plus 1 number of coefficients. Y here is the dependent variable, x is an independent variable. So we are going to solve such type of differential equations. These are called as the linear differential equations with the constant coefficients a0, a1, an minus 1 and an respectively coefficients. The solutions or perhaps the general solutions of this such linear differential equations is divided into two parts. The general solution means complete solution. The general solution of such LDE is equal to CF plus PI. So what is this CF and what is this PI? CF is nothing but the complementary function and PI is nothing but the particular integral. If we add these two functions, this summation or addition of these two different functions that constitute your general or complete solution of the linear differential equations with the constant. So today we shall concentrate upon finding out the complementary function. So today's lecture we shall determine the complementary functions of such linear differential equations. Now, as I have told you, this is the nth order linear differential equations with the constant coefficient. These are some examples of the linear differential equations with the constant coefficient. The first example is d square y by dx, it should be 2. d2y by dx 2 plus 3dy by dx plus 2y equal to e to the power x. This is perhaps the second order linear differential equation with the constant coefficients 1, 3 and 2. Similarly, d square y by dx square plus dy by dx equal to 1 upon 1 plus e power x. d square y dx square minus dy by dx plus 2y equal to 2 log x plus 1 by x plus 1 by. So we are going to study how to determine the complementary functions of such linear differential equations with the constant coefficients. Now, how to find out? How to determine the complementary function? The first and very foremost step is to put or substitute d by dx equal to capital D. See here, this is the most important. In the very first stage, you will be putting d by dx as capital D, so that dy by dx, if d by dx is equal to capital D, so dy by dx would be of course equal to capital D into y. In a similar manner, d2y by dx square, you are putting it as d square y. d3y by dx cube as d cube and so on. dny, nth derivative of y with respect to x with respect to n, this would be, we are denoted as dny. So now let us go for all such substitutions in putting this the nth order linear differential equation. See here I am putting this a0 is first coefficient, leading coefficient a0. Now dny by dx in, I told you it is dn into y. I am not writing y here, I am only writing n because y is common throughout. Plus an d to the power n minus 1 into y plus an minus a0 a1 a2 into d raised to power n minus 2y dx raised to power n minus 2 plus and so on. This is an minus 1. dy by dx is d into capital Y, I am not writing y, plus an in bracket into y is common for all such substitutions, that is equal to f of x.
चांद की चांदनी आसमां की परी.
So, what I did here, I just substituted all this in the given general differential equations. So, this is the given linear differential equations and this is nothing but the operator form of the given linear differential equations. So, in the very beginning, we are going for all this substitution and convert the given linear differential equations into this operator form like this. So this bracket is nothing but the function of capital D into y equal to f of x. In short, or in a compressed form, compact form, in a simplified form, it is written as phi of d into y equal to f of x. This is called as the simplified form, operator form or short form of the given linear differential equations with the constant coefficient. Now, for this associated differential equations, if I write phi of d equal to 0, then this phi of d equal to 0 is called as an auxiliary equation. Phi of d is the nth order algebraic equations. Phi of d equal to 0 means an nth order algebraic